Welcome to how to add a bank account tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to add a bank account to your PayPal account. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to sign up to your PayPal account or log in if you already have an account. Then you will find this icon. You need to click on add a card or bank account. You will find these two options. Then click on link a bank account. Then enter your account type, routing number and account number. Then click on agree and link. Then after you click on agree and link, PayPal will send you a deposit to your bank account with a confirmation code. The deposit and the confirmation code will be sent to your bank account in minutes or in 2 days maximum. So after you get the confirmation code, go to your PayPal account and you'll find something like this. You need to click on confirm your bank account and then enter the confirmation code. And now your bank account is successfully linked to your PayPal. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.